What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna be making like a salmon and orzo pasta. Listen, I had this for my birthday back in 2022 at like Coastal Fish Company or something like that. It was nasty. I did not like it, but I think it was nasty because of the flavor. Like they didn't have enough flavor in it. So today I'm gonna go ahead and try to like remake it, and we're gonna make it bomb as fuck. Okay, but y'all don't forget to get my cookbook. It is on Amazon and it is linked below digitally as well. Do not forget that. Without further ado, y'all, let's get into it. So the first thing we're gonna do, y'all, is take our lovely salmon. We got some nice pieces of salmon here, as y'all can see. And I'm just gonna throw some olive oil on it, and I'm gonna season it with a little bit of, what do I have here? Some Old Bay and a little bit of salt, because we don't want to make it salty, just a little bit, and some paprika, a lot of paprika. Okay, so we're gonna use a lot of this oil. Get that oil in there. Then we're just gonna take the seasonings and rub it all on there. Give this a nice rub on all sides, y'all. And this is what it's giving. Giving well seasoned, giving very much coated. Now we're gonna take and sear it. Water test. Okay, so we're gonna add some of this algae oil. Y'all, I've been liking it, so I'm gonna continue to use it for now. And we're just going to add our salmon in. We just want to sear this for a few minutes. I like the skin, so we're going to do a skin side down. Now we're just going to flip it. So now we're just going to remove them. Now we're gonna sear our little sausage here. This is some beef sausage, but you can get whatever kind of sausage you like. Okay, so we're just gonna remove these as well. Now we're gonna add our shallots, our garlic, put that in for a few minutes. Now we're going to deglaze with a little bit of white wine, and you can use about 1/4 cup. Now we're gonna go in with our pasta, y'all. This is about 2.5 cups. Let me show y'all the brand in 1 second. Hold on. Pour that in there. This is the kind that I'm using. And it looks like rice, y'all, but it is actually pasta. Okay, y'all, my bad. Trying to just get it all in there and all coated. We're gonna add about 2.5 cups of chicken broth. Now we're going to start getting the heat up a little bit high right now, so we can get it to a little bit of a boil, so we can bring it back down. We're going to add a little bit of lemon zest, y'all. Make sure y'all clean y'all lemon, okay? I'm just going to add a little bit of this. And remember, I always say, don't get down to the white part or it will start getting bitter, okay? Once you start seeing that, do a couple swipes, go to the next part, okay? We're only using a little bit of this, not too much. And y'all, we're actually going to squeeze about half of this lemon as well. Okay, y'all, then we're going to go in with about 1/2 cup of heavy cream. we're gonna add about a half a cup of Parmesan cheese. Oh, why not? Put all of it. Now y'all know we have to season this. I have a little bit of garlic powder, onion powder, oregano, obviously red pepper flakes, a little bit of Old Bay, and a teensy wince of seasoning salt, y'all. Not too much of that. And some paprika at the bottom, okay? And if y'all need some more chicken broth, like if it starts to look dry before the 15-20 minute mark, you can add some more chicken broth, okay? It is totally up to y'all. You do not want your orzo to start burning the bottom of the pan. So we're going to put this on very, very low. We're going to go for about 15 minutes, 15-20. Just depends on how you like your pasta, okay? Al dente, that's what we say. So looking at how thick it already is before I even put the meat back in there, I'm going to put a little bit more chicken broth. Just because it's kind of thick before I'm ready for it to be thick, if that makes sense. Add a little bit of spinach, y'all. Okay, so now we're just going to add the meat back. The good thing about this is, y'all can add shrimp, crab meat, whatever kind of meat you like. Add our salmon back in. Then we're just going to add some lemon slices on the top. And we're going to cover this for about 15 to 20 minutes. Okay, y'all, so I'm going to add a little parsley. Now we just gonna make sure this orzo is done. Can y'all see it? Cause y'all know this camera love to act up when I'm trying to do something. Look at the juice on that salmon. Y'all, ooh, look at it. Alright, y'all, so this is how it came out. Super creamy, y'all, and rich. So I think I do like this better. I did go ahead and taste it better than the restaurant I went to. So don't forget, y'all, the grocery list is in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, y'all. Let me know what else y'all want to cook, what y'all want to see, what y'all want to learn.
Hit that subscribe button!